Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting permissions right so your data is accurate and useful. First, make sure iOS is current and motion and fitness is enabled. This lets steps and workouts record automatically. Once done, open the Health app and go to Summary. From here, tap your profile to add important details like birth date, sex, and blood type so measurements compare correctly. These initial choices matter because they calibrate activity estimates and make trends meaningful as you use Health going forward. Now you'll link devices and choose what to track so Health gathers reliable input. Go to Sources or Devices and add your Apple Watch, Bluetooth scale, or other trackers. Make sure each device is listed and trusted. Then pick metrics to monitor: heart rate, sleep, steps, and nutrition, and enable background updates. Once connected, prioritize which source writes data if duplicates appear, and make sure apps you trust can share info. That reduces conflicts and keeps your timeline consistent as you collect long-term trends. Finish by organizing and protecting your data so Health becomes a daily tool. Customize the summary view to show favorites like steps and sleep, and pin charts you'll check often. Make sure iCloud Health is enabled to back up records and export data or share with clinicians when needed for care. If something stops updating, check permissions first, confirm Bluetooth and device battery, then update or restart apps. If that fails, reinstall the accessory or toggle Health permissions to restore syncing without losing existing records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.